AIOps-driven automation, so-called hyperautomation, is becoming crucial, especially in light of the growing complexity of mobile technologies and dynamicity of network slices. So we are proposing a set of the prepackaged solutions in area of automation that we've built based on our 25 years of experience of interaction with tier 1 operators. And I start the presentation from automated service impact calculation and onboarding of the mechanisms for service monitoring. Starting with mobile broadband, I'm able to at a glance visualize on high-level dashboards what is the condition of services, auto-correlation of performance data, and performance data mapped to services, so KQIs, with GIS information, so I can visualize my worst performing elements on the map, use single pane of glass approach and centralize the information coming from different systems, such as fault management alarms and trouble ticketing information. So it's also very powerful tool to demonstrate how we can perform further investigation and root cause analysis using those correlation techniques. I am able to display details around calculated impact and what are the identified problems with details related to each of them, what are the affected entities, auto trouble ticketing, which is also a powerful mechanism to reduce the time for identification and remediation procedures. So we can dispatch the trouble tickets to the proper user groups and notify the stakeholders who are interested in particular area of monitoring. When we are talking about automation, dark knock or closed loop automation, for that we have dedicated tool that is providing workflows, utilizing all information available coming from different parts such as performance data, fault management, trouble ticketing, and using techniques of comparison, logical expressions. At the end, we are triggering some actions which could be notification, auto trouble ticketing, or some remediations. We have also orchestration part, and such auto flows could be run on scheduled basis or based on some event coming from outside world, for example via REST API. AI/ML use cases for forecasting, anomaly detection. For such views, I'm able to go into details of time series for some specific KPIs, not only for historical values, but also presenting what is the forecast for next days or even weeks. With comparison against the observed values, we can build the level of confidence, which is also one of the components for deciding whether some automated actions should be triggered. So having everything in mind, automated impact calculation, root cause analysis, workflows for remediation, auto trouble ticketing, dispatching to user groups and notification to stakeholders. We are decreasing mean time to identify and mean time to repair drastically. And this is how we do AIOps-driven hyperautomation.